I'm going to show you how to do a painting using Aquarelle pencil. The first thing that we're going to do, that I mentioned before in another of our videos, is I use 140 pound Arches cold press paper. In watercolor, you always tear your paper. You never cut your paper. It's one of the things, when you tear your paper, you get these nice soft edges. So I'm going to show you how to tear your paper now. You fold it in half, and you may want to crease it several times so that you get a nice crease here. And then you start at one end and you tear your paper. One large sheet of Arches costs between $4.50 and $5. So it's not cheap. But one large sheet of paper can give you four small 11 by 17 paintings. So here is our piece of watercolor paper that we're going to use for our drawing. And we're going to begin with this drawing and transferring it using a light box, or you can hold it up to your window and put it onto your paper. Always save your original drawing because you can use it over and over and do the same scene or parts of the same scene using different colored schemes. Stay tuned for our next segment, and I'm going to explain to you about the uses of Aquarelle pencil